To have any hope of scoring a mate in a place like this, you've got to be a class act. A red-capped Manakin dances to impress a female. Manakin is a Dutch word meaning little man. Females are very picky and only go for the best, and she's seen better. On this stage, the best number is a double act. Males practice their routines for years, but only the older male gets to mate. The younger wingman will have to wait, up to 10 years, until the dominant male kicks the bucket. A female moves in for a front row seat. The dudes go all out. But on this dance floor, the ladies have their own moves. Now the chicks break it down. The older male finally chooses the one.